guys, it's Dice here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Zara Larsson inspired makeup look. I'm really excited for this video because Zara Larsson just has so many good makeup looks. Shout out to her makeup artist. But yeah, I'm really excited to be doing this one. I chose this look right here because I love the colors of it, and also I don't know if I'm gonna be doing gems today, even though I know a big thing for like of hers is like gems and stuff. I feel like I might do it, but I really just love this color, like this color palette, so I'm going to be doing that today. If you guys want to see my recreation of this look, then just keep on watching. Right. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. I'm just going to prime my eyes with the Multitasker Concealer by Rimmel London. I'm going to blend that out with a beauty sponge. Then I'm going to take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder and just set the concealer with that. For eyeshadow, we're going to use the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette. We're going to take the first purple in the row of purples, which is like a pastel purple shade, and we're going to put that on our outer corner and also blend it into our crease. We're going to mix the first shade with a little bit of the second purple shade just to darken this up some. But you don't want to make it too dark because hers is very pastel-y purple. I just want to like emphasize the purple a little bit more. So I'm just mixing those two shades, but mostly going in with the lighter shade. Now I'm going to take the NYX Modern Dreamer palette, and we're going to take the 6th shade in the first row, which is like a light pink coral shade, and we're just going to pop that under our brow bone because on hers it looks like she has a little bit of pink like under her brow bone, but it's like a corally shade. So we're going to put that in our inner corner. Now we're going to take this Juvia's Place big flat brush, and we're going to take that light purple shade again mixed with the second purple shade and just pop that on our lid. Now I don't have a colored eyeliner, so we're just going to take my Athena painting palette, and we're going to take this blue and mix it with the dark blue to create like a very bright, vibrant blue shade. Now we're going to do a wing eyeliner with this. I'm only taking it halfway like into the lid because hers isn't all the way. It is in the inner corner, but it kind of like connects to the bottom. So we're just going to create a little circle in the inner corner. Now you want to make sure you set the Athena palette. So I'm just going to take the the NYX Modern Dreamer palette. We're going to take the 3rd shade in the last row, which is also a bright, vibrant blue shade. And we're just going to set that eyeliner with that. And we're using the M382 brush to set that eyeliner. That's cute. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera and do my other eye. And then I'll come back with you guys to do the face and stuff. If I add gems, I'll like show you guys that or whatever, but yeah, we're gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and then come back with you guys to do the face. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera, and I did add some gems. It took, oh, I don't like the way that these look all lined up, whatever. It took so long because I don't have a good like thing. I'm out of breath, hold on. I don't have a good thing to like put the gems on with. I started using like a colored pencil, and that worked pretty good, but it still took so long. So let's move on to face. So her face is pretty glowy, like she has a nice amount of highlighter on. So first we're just gonna prime our skin with the Paradise Set Hydrating Setting Spray. Take a beauty sponge and just tap that into our skin. Now for my foundation, I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 335. I usually just take that and I take a brush, dip it in, and then kind of paint it on my face. I do the upper half of my face first. I also put some around my mouth just because that's where like a lot of my discoloration is. I'm going to take this beauty sponge and just blend that out. For cream bronzing, we're going to take the ABH Stick Foundation in the shade Espresso. I'm just going to bronze with that. I'm going to take the M242 brush and just blend that out. Now for my under eyes, we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C6. And while that's sitting to dry a little bit, we're going to take liquid blush. So we're going to take the Juvia's Place liquid blush in the shade Rosy Posy. I'm going to take it and we're just going to put it a little, honestly, a little bit lower than where I usually put my blush. And then I'm also going to take a little bit and put it like in the inner part of my concealer. And now we're going to blend out the concealer under our eyes. I'm going to put on some more blush because she is very blush. It also kind of looks like she has some blush like over the bridge of her nose. I love blush, so I'm not even hating. There was a time, I feel like I say this all the time, there was a time when I didn't like blush, but that time is over and done with because now I love it. And now on a powder puff, we're going to take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder, and we're just going to set everywhere that we put concealer. I'm also going to set that blush. This is the Ariana Blush Volume 2, and we're going to take Lena and Tao, mix those two together, and just put that where we put the cream blush. I'm also going to take some Zoba, which is like a shimmery blush, and put that on our cheeks. I need like a nice highlighter, so hold on, let me check. And I don't feel like getting up, so that is the problem here. We're going to take the Beauty Bay EYN Bright palette, and we're going to take Candid Candy Floss on a Ben Nye FB3 brush. We're just going to take that and highlight our nose with that. Her nose is super highlighted, so I'm going to go very heavy on that. I think it's nice that it's like a pink undertone. And now for lips, she kind of has like a brownish nude lip. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Glam Light Twinkies lip kit, and I'm just going to do my lips with that. This is so gorgeous. Okay, now I'm going to go off camera, put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so I actually forgot to do my under eyes. I basically just added that vibrant cobalt blue shade under like the outer half of my eye, because that's how she has it. And this is the finished Zara Larsson inspired makeup look. I love it so much. I think it's giving a never-ending midnight sun. I think it's giving girly, and I just really love it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe, because I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers, and I would love to have you as part of the family. And yeah, if you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. The makeup artist for this look is Sanat, I think that's how you say it. I love her looks so much, and they're just so like girly and like vibrant and inspiring, so that's why I wanted to do this today. And I definitely will be doing more recreations of her looks in the future. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.